Before using mMAPS Scheduler, we check the switches and connections first. This tutorial shows how to set up the required software VPSE for the mMAPS Scheduler. The program VPSE has to be initiated to resolve hardware conflicts. It splits the COM port to allow the two programs control the stage at the same time. Click VPSE on the desktop. Click on Device. Click on Create. From the menu, select Splitter. Click on Next. Click on the menu. Click on Content. Click on Finish button. Minimize the window. This procedure has been set to start automatically at Windows Startup, so no need to do it every time unless hardware change. We can also click on the saved VPSE directly when necessary.